Waking up every morning hot and healthy is enough reason for you to thank your creator, because it's not everybody that went to sleep that wake up. Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting recipe. I hope you are jubilating on what you are seeing. Looking for what to cook for your lovely family this festive season? Worry no more, because I got you covered. If someone tells me that I can cook a very healthy and delicious stew without a tomato paste, I wouldn't believe it. Hi everyone, welcome to today's recipe. I hope you are jubilating on what you are seeing. So to start, I'm going to wash the tomato with salt and warm water and set it aside. I'm going to repeat the same thing. Paprika, wash it with warm water and salt, remove all the seeds and the stalk, and put them inside a pot and cook it to drain all the water content in it. If you love yourself so much, you should be scared of all these designer sicknesses that are so rampant by making sure you are sure of enters inside your stomach, because whatever that enters inside your stomach determines how healthy you will be. So for my protein, I'm going to make use of chicken, beef, and the shaky. I'm going to wash them with warm water and salt, cook them to 70%, then I will fry it and set it aside. Because I'll be using plantain on this, so I use the same oil to fry my plantain and set it aside. Are you the type that always finish your plantain after frying it, then before you can finish cooking your food, finish the plantain? Let me tell you what you will do. After frying the plantain, just use something to cover it and hide it inside your oven. With that, you will not even touch it at once. Okay. So let's go back to the cooking. So now, after the water content of the tomato and the paprika have drained, I'm going to strain out the water. I'm going to throw it away because that is tomato juice. I love it so much. I always put it inside container and set it aside because I drink it a lot. My husband also drink it. And it's also healthy because it contains minerals and salt. So to start the cooking in a clean pot, I'm going to add my olive oil. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Add it, allow it to heat up. Then I go in with my salt, onions, the blended tomato. I'm going to fry it for like 20 minutes. I'm not going to fry it to dry. I'll fry it for just 20 minutes. Then I will go in with my protein or cook it for extra 10 minutes. Then my stew is ready. Very healthy and delicious. Look at that. Just check it out. Okay. If you're enjoying this video and you have not liked and share and subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting. Please do that to help my page. Do that to help my channel, and I will appreciate it so much. Thank you, and do not forget to like and share this video. I will see you all again in my next recipe. Bye bye.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't know moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate, the lifestyle activate. Pan dey hot oil dey fry. Onions dey dance, aroma dey fly.